Well, good afternoon, magandang hapon, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. We are in basically the sitting room, the waiting room, prior to going and seeing the new governor of Batangas here in the Philippines. Governor
Vilma Santos.
Vilma Santos, Recto. And anyway, so we're going to be sitting here to share our experience today as we go in and meet our new governor. Anyway, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. As we said in the introduction, we're here to visit the governor, the new governor of Batangas on the island of Luzon, the island of the Philippines. We're here with our Rotary organization, the Rotary Club of Lipa Sal. Now, a little bit background information. The new governor that was just recently elected has been in politics for quite a long period of time. As a matter of fact, Ness is from Villa City. That's actually where we built Villa Feliz. And Vilma Santos, she was the mayor of Villa City quite a long time ago. And then she gradually continued to participate in politics, became Congresswoman?
Governor first.
Oh, governor first.
Became governor, then Congresswoman, then governor.
I've got the events a little bit backwards, but she's been extremely active in politics here in the Philippines. And not only that, Vilma Santos Recto is also well known in the Philippines for being a movie star.
Yes.
Lots of movies and television shows. Superstar. And she's still, as far as I know, she still participates because I believe this year, or the earlier part of this year or last year, they just had a new movie. They actually live very close to us, and we heard some of the practicing for some of the scenes for the new movie. So anyway, we're really excited to be able to meet Vilma Santos for the first time, and just sitting here waiting until we're introduced to go into the office of the governor.
3, 2, 1. Isa pa po.
Good to see you! Kamusta po kayo? Oh my God! Mag-English tayo. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please sit down. Para ma-assure naman ako makadali ako. Okay? You know that's one of my
So yeah, we were there to respond. Pero kami, mga reservists, na willing tumulong voluntarily, we're not equipped.
That's true. That's true.
As an honorary member of the Rotary Club of Lipa South, inspire us to live by the Rotary ideal of service above self. Your distinguished career and dedication to uplifting lives reflect the very essence of Rotary's mission.
Dito sa tinaraw mo. Compress mo na yung konti.
Well, there you have it. We had a great visit with the Honorable Governor of Batangas, Vilma Santos Recto, and we sat there, we had lunch, we discussed many topics, and I will say I felt that the governor really is a governor of the people. She had a lot of good things to say, she had sincerity, and she is working with some of the things for the Rotary to be able to help our communities as well. Well, anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and close today's episode right here at the Governor's Municipality Complex here in Batangas City. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you will watch more of these kinds of videos as we go along. So for today, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart and the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and you'll be notified if you ring that bell next time I upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the very beautiful, beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.